Imagine a world where a brand new smile is just a consultation away. Thanks to incredible advancements in dental technology, that world is now a reality. 3D printing is revolutionizing dentistry, offering patients a faster, more precise, and customized experience than ever before. We are now talking about full mouth restorations with 3D printed teeth that look, feel, and function just like natural teeth. This is not science fiction, my friends. It is the future of dentistry. Gone are the days of uncomfortable dentures and lengthy procedures. 3D printing allows us to create incredibly strong and durable teeth that are custom designed for your unique mouth. This means a perfect fit, a natural look, and a newfound confidence that can change your life. The journey to your new smile begins with a consultation. During this initial meeting, we will discuss your dental history, your concerns, and your desired outcome. We will take X-rays and 3D images of your jaw and teeth to plan the precise placement of your implants. This is where the magic of technology comes in. Using advanced software, we can create a virtual model of your mouth and design your new smile right before your eyes. We can adjust the size, shape, and color of your teeth to achieve the look you desire. This personalized approach ensures that your new smile will be both beautiful and functional. On the day of your procedure, you will be made comfortable with sedation, ensuring a relaxed and pain-free experience. We will gently place the dental implants, which are small titanium posts, into your jawbone. These implants act as the roots of your new teeth, providing a stable foundation for your 3D printed prosthesis. Once the implants are in place, we will take impressions of your mouth. These impressions are used to create your custom-designed 3D printed teeth. The teeth are printed with incredible precision, ensuring a perfect fit and a natural bite. After a short healing period, your new teeth will be securely attached to the implants. Section 4. 3D printed teeth. Durability, customization, and a lifetime of confidence. The beauty of 3D printed teeth lies not only in their aesthetics, but also in their incredible strength and durability. Crafted from high-strength materials, these teeth are designed to withstand the rigors of everyday life. You can eat, speak, and smile with confidence, knowing that your new teeth are built to last. The customization options with 3D printing are virtually limitless. We can match the exact shade of your natural teeth or create a brighter, whiter smile. We can also adjust the shape and size of your teeth to complement your facial features perfectly. This means you can have a smile that is uniquely yours, one that reflects your personality and style. Section 5. A transformed life, smiling with confidence once again. The impact of a full mouth restoration with 3D printed teeth extends far beyond aesthetics. Patients often report a newfound sense of confidence and self-esteem. They are no longer afraid to smile, speak up, or engage in social situations. This transformation can have a profound effect on their personal and professional lives. Imagine being able to eat your favorite foods again without pain or discomfort. Imagine smiling confidently in photographs and feeling proud of your appearance. This is the life-changing potential of full mouth restoration with 3D printed teeth. It's not just about new teeth. It's about a new you,